Baking at home becomes easier when you have the right hand mixer that can handle your everyday tasks without any effort. I have listed the best options that offer good performance, steady mixing, and simple controls, making them suitable for beginners and regular home bakers. These mixers are chosen based on how well they blend, their ease of use, and how convenient they are to clean and store. You can choose the one that fits your routine and the type of baking you do most. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Number 5. SMEG50s Retro. This is the best option for anyone who wants style and performance in one simple package. It has a 220-watt motor that gives enough power for everyday mixing tasks. The smooth start system helps you begin mixing gently so ingredients don't fly out of the bowl. This makes it easier to get clean and consistent results. The mixer has an ergonomic anti-slip handle, so it feels steady and comfortable during use. One thing that stands out is the LED display with a built-in timer. You can keep track of your mixing time without checking your phone or a separate timer. This display also makes it easy to see the speed you are using. There are 9 different speed levels, along with a turbo function, so you can adjust the power based on what you are mixing. Whether it's whipping cream or kneading soft dough, the mixer stays controlled. This also comes with a good set of accessories. You get 2 balloon whisks, 2 beaters, 2 dough hooks, and an accessory bag for keeping things organized. The accessories are dishwasher safe, which helps with quick cleanup after baking. The build quality feels premium, with a mix of aluminum and stainless steel. Even though it weighs around 3 pounds, it still feels balanced in the hand. The design fits well in any kitchen, especially if you like retro-inspired appliances. If you want a mixer that looks great on the counter and performs well for daily baking, this is a solid pick. Number 4. Cuisinart HM7BCS. This is the best option for anyone who wants a simple and convenient hand mixer for daily use. It comes with a 200-watt motor and 7 mixing speeds, giving you good control for different tasks like whipping, folding, or mixing thicker batters. The push-button controls are easy to reach, so you can switch speeds smoothly while working. One useful detail is the rotating swivel cord, which makes it comfortable for both right and left-handed users. This model also has a heel rest, allowing the mixer to stand upright on your countertop without falling over. This makes it easier to pause during mixing without creating a mess. The Easy Clean beaters are another advantage. They come with a design that has no center post, which prevents clogging and helps ingredients flow smoothly. This cuts down on cleaning time and keeps your mixing process simple. Cuisinart includes a convenient storage case, which helps keep the beaters and mixer together in one place. This is helpful if you want to avoid losing attachments in kitchen drawers. The mixer is made of plastic but feels sturdy and stable during use. Even though the attachments are not dishwasher safe, they are quick to wash by hand. With its basic power, smooth controls, and handy storage, this works well for everyday baking and home cooking. It's suitable for people who want a reliable mixer that doesn't take up much space and covers standard mixing needs without complications. Number 3. KitchenAid Hand Mixer. This is the best cordless option for anyone who wants full freedom while mixing. Since it runs on a 12V Max removable battery, you can move around the kitchen easily without searching for a power outlet. It provides up to 60 minutes of continuous runtime, depending on your recipe and attachments. This makes it convenient for tasks where you want space and flexibility. KitchenAid designed this mixer to stand on its own, with the beaters lifted away from the bowl. This keeps your workspace clean and reduces the chance of making a mess when you stop mixing. The mixer offers 7 speeds, giving you enough range to handle gentle stirring, creaming butter and sugar, or whipping egg whites. It also has a soft start feature, which slowly increases speed to prevent splattering. This comes with stainless steel turbo beater 2 accessories, which are dishwasher safe. You also get a USB-C cable, wall adapter, and the removable battery. The overall build feels premium, with a combination of plastic and stainless steel that keeps the weight down to around 2.6 pounds, making it comfortable to hold for longer periods. If your kitchen setup changes often or you want something easy to carry around without cords getting in the way, this mixer fits well. It's great for small spaces, cooking outdoors, or simply enjoying the convenience of cordless mixing. For everyday baking and quick tasks, the flexibility it offers makes it stand out. Number 2. Ninja CI101. This is the best choice for anyone who wants power and versatility in one device. This model is more than just a hand mixer. It transforms into a 750 peak watt immersion blender, giving you 2 tools in one system. The mixer can handle heavy doughs, thick batters, and everyday baking tasks, while the immersion blender is ideal for soups, smoothies, and sauces. This makes it useful for people who want one device that can do multiple jobs. You get 5 mixing speeds and 2 blending speeds, so you have full control when switching between attachments. The Easy Glide beaters help incorporate more air into the mixture, making batters light and fluffy. Ninja also includes Smart Torque technology, which helps the motor maintain speed even when dealing with dense or thick ingredients. This reduces stalling and keeps your mixing smooth. The immersion blending arm has a built-in pan guard, so you can blend directly inside deep pots without scratching them. The parts are dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup simple. You also get a 3-cup blending vessel with a lid, whisk, beaters, and a helpful 20 recipe guide. Even with its powerful motor, the mixer is designed to be ergonomic. It is comfortable to hold and reduces hand fatigue during longer tasks. If you want a single appliance that handles whipping, kneading, pureeing, blending, and mixing, this is a strong pick. It gives you great value by combining 2 tools in a compact and easy-to-store system. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Electric Hand Mixer. This electric hand mixer is the best overall choice because it combines power, ease of use, and value in one simple package. It has 275 watts of peak power, which is strong enough to handle thick doughs, cake batters, and everyday baking tasks. With 6 speeds and a quick burst button, you can switch from gentle mixing to high-speed whipping without any trouble. One of the most useful features is the Easy Clean beaters. Their smooth design helps prevent ingredients from sticking and clogging, which saves time and makes cleanup easier. The mixer also includes 7 attachments: Easy Clean beaters, traditional beaters, dough hooks, and a whisk. All attachments eject smoothly and are dishwasher safe. Another major advantage is the snap-on storage case. It keeps all attachments in one place and prevents the common problem of losing beaters in kitchen drawers. This makes storing the mixer neat and organized. At around 2.9 pounds, the mixer feels balanced and comfortable to use. The control buttons are simple, and the motor runs smoothly even when mixing heavier recipes. Whether you are whipping cream, making brownies, or kneading dough, it handles each task reliably. Overall, the Hamilton Beach Mixer offers strong performance, easy storage, and helpful attachments at a good price. It is a practical choice for most households and works well for any level of home baking. Wrapping up our list of the 5 best hand mixers for effortless everyday baking, each of these picks is made to keep your kitchen routine simple and smooth. Whether you bake once in a while or almost every day, these mixers can make your tasks easier and save you time. Make sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow anglers, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and reviews.